Listen, a girl having a crush on you is not a guarantee. It's an opportunity. And if you don't play it right, that interest can fade fast. But if you handle it the right way, you can turn that crush into a real relationship. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to make her your girlfriend when she already likes you. Before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because you and I are building a better version of you every single day. 1. Don't rush. Make her feel safe choosing you. Most guys mess up right here. They hear a girl likes them, and suddenly they get too excited, too available, too emotional, too fast. Relax. If she already has a crush on you, she needs one thing from you: consistency without pressure. Talk to her in a calm, confident way. Don't act surprised, needy, or desperate. Girls fall for guys who stay grounded even when they know they're liked. Your vibe should say, "I know you like me, and I'm cool with it." 2. Build attraction through presence, not performances. When a girl has a crush on you, she's already attracted. Your job is to deepen that attraction, not by trying harder, but by being more present. Look her in the eyes when she talks. Listen fully. Speak with intention. Move slowly, confidently. These little things make her feel something real, not just a crush, but a connection. 3. Show value without overgiving. A lot of guys try to win the girl by doing too much. Buying gifts, texting all day, being available 24/7. But that actually kills the spark. Instead, show value by being the type of man she naturally wants to be with. You're a man with goals. You're a man with discipline. You're a man with emotional control. You're a man with standards. When she sees you living your life with purpose, she starts imagining herself being part of it. 4. Flirt confidently. Don't act like a friend. If you want her to become your girlfriend, you have to break the cute crush energy and replace it with romantic tension. Use light teasing, playful eye contact, soft touches at the right moment. Give compliments that aren't basic. Instead of saying, "You're cute," say, "I like how you think. It's kind of attractive." This creates attraction on a deeper level. 5. Create one-on-one moments. Crush energy grows in groups. Relationships grow in private. Take her out for coffee, a walk, a chill, low-pressure hangout. These moments make her feel like she's getting access to the real you, not just the public version. 6. Make her feel chosen, not chased. This is the difference between a boy and a man. Don't chase her. Choose her. That means you don't beg for her time. But when she gives it, you make that moment feel special. Tell her straight, "I like spending time with you. You have a great vibe." Simple, direct, confident. 7. Make your move at the right time. When the energy is right, when the connection is there, when she's giving you signals, that's when you go for the next step. You don't need a dramatic speech. Just say, "I like where this is going. Let's make this official." Simple, mature, attractive. If you play it cool, stay confident, and lead with intention, you can turn her crush into a real relationship. If you want a part 2 on this topic, drop "Make her mine" in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. I've got more powerful videos coming your way.